Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to do inventory adjustment in system. This will be your login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address and password. You will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to inventory, then click on inventory adjustment, which is a submenu of operations. In order to create new inventory adjustment in the system, just click on create button. Now here you will select the inventory reference. For example, I am selecting the inventory reference as annual inventory for Dadri. Here you will going to select the location. For example, here I am selecting the location Stockgill NCR ONM Dadri. If you want to do the inventory of all the products for this particular location, just click on all the products. If you want to do the inventory product category wise, you will select this one. If you want to do the inventory of just only one product, you will select this one product only. If you want to do the selection of the product manually, you will select this one. If you want to do as by the lots and serial number wise, you will select this one. Here I am selecting the all products one. Now here the inventory date will come by default. Now click on save button. In order to start the inventory, now click on start inventory button. As soon as you will click on start inventory button, all the products which already has been present in this particular location will come here with their theoretical and real quantity. In order to update the quantity of this particular location, I will just click on added button and I will enter the real quantity for this particular product. Likewise, I have entered all the real quantities for all the product that has been already present in this particular location. Now click on save button. If I want to cancel the inventory, I will just click on cancel inventory button. If I want to submit it for validation, I will just click on submit for validation button. Now the inventory head will validate this particular inventory by clicking on validate inventory button, or if he wants to refuse this particular inventory, he will just click on refuse inventory button. For example, I am here validating this particular inventory. Now this is how you will going to update the inventory in the system.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.